So with iTints Smart Film, with a touch of a button, you can turn your clear windows into privacy glass instantly. Gets automated with your smart home system or with a simple app or your phone as well. So now we are right next door. We have a new referral program. So for all our clients that refer us a neighbor, a friend, a family member, we are offering a 10% discount. That's called our referral program, in which they referred us their neighbor, and guess what? She loved how that came out. You know, that was a very complex installation due to the architectural, the mullions, the way we had to run the wires. But we got it done. Here at iTints Technologies, we cater to all type of window systems. So if you're a window company, you're a glass and door company, and you want to offer your clients a new privacy solution for their windows and doors, contact us today, apply to become an authorized reseller, and get ready to step into the future with iTints Technologies. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're right in front of the house. These are two beautiful French-style swing doors where they face the front of the street. Every car that passes by, even your neighbor across the street, can see inside your home. And the purpose of iTints Smart Film is to give you dynamic privacy and sun control. First and foremost, we're gonna follow up and get an update from Felix, our lead technician, in which all our technicians are properly certified through our iTints Academy. They have to go through a 13-step system of 5-day intensive training on the installation of smart film on different type of window systems, whether it's a swing door, a fixed window, a sliding door, horizontal slider, a casement, architectural. This is the purpose of our academy, the world's first and only proper training system for our future authorized resellers, our exclusive dealers, and our own certified technicians. Right, as you can see, front entrance doors have these beautiful, beautiful glass that lets in so much natural daylight. But guess what? Everything's visible, especially at nighttime. I mean, guys, if you don't believe me, just go outside your house. If you have similar windows like this, similar doors, turn on your lights inside and go from the outside of the street or from the outside of the house. You can see everything inside. And this is the purpose of having more self-security and safety in your own home and not be seen from prying eyes. Right now, we are going through glass decontamination. Glass decontamination is so important because, especially during new builds and new construction, glass get really dirty. Whether it's paint, dust, overspray, anything of that nature, usually is on the glass. So we have to go through a thorough cleaning with a soap and water solution, a plastic razor blade, 99% alcohol, proper removing of any excessive silicone around the windows. So that way, once the installation of the smart film takes place, it's flawless. You don't want to see any bubbles, any debris, and sometimes we do find scratches on the glass, which we always communicate with the client because some scratches tend to be very, very deep in the glass and it could be visible on the smart film. But during our project assessment, we identify first and foremost the windows and doors that are needing our iTints Smart Film. We assess what kind of window system it is, how we're going to power our smart film, which is through our power supply transformer, which gets plugged into a standard receptacle right on the nearest window or door, which in this case is usually just a couple of feet away. We always find for the easiest solution if you already have your home fully built out. Now, if it's in construction phase or in build out stage, that's the perfect time to contact us so we can assess your electrical team, your low voltage team, and even your general contractor on where we need our wire drops and where the home run is going to be, how is it going to be controlled, whether it's going to be with a simple remote control, wall switch, or even smart home automated and integrated as well. So that's why it's very important to contact us immediately if you think that smart film and iTints is right for you.
Mira, hazte la idea. Este es uno. Y cuando tú pongas este, más las dos paticas que salen para afuera, las dos paticas tienen cada una tiene un cuarto. Más el contacto tiene un cuarto, tiene media. Y el contacto de atrás tiene 3 cuartos. Quiere decir que tengo una pulgada para que ellos topen. En caso del contacto, en caso del muelle, yo le abro el muelle aquí en este borde y le pongo el que viene para acá, solo que abro un hueco aquí y abro un hueco aquí abajo. Ahora, hay que un hueco aquí abajo para poder correr el cable por aquí abajo para darle electricidad.
Ahí te compro mejor el muelle. All right, guys, so this is why it's so important to understand your window systems. What is a window system? When it comes to the industry of windows and doors, you have so many different type of window systems. And every window system has a different structure, depending on the manufacturer, right? In this case, this does not have an actual label on it, so I cannot tell you who's the brand or the manufacturer or the model. But this is where we identify the actual, the frame system. And here, this is the first door that we experience that doesn't have a screw cover, right? It has different type of hardware, different swing system, and different structure. We have a little bit more things here that usually are not common in today's windows and doors. But we're always gonna find a solution on how to pre-wire every type of window system. And right now, me and Felix, our lead technician, are analyzing what's gonna be the best hardware to use, whether it's gonna be our contact switches or our indoor house and looping system. Ahí yo te aguanto. Toma. Este huequito.
Siempre que todos los pasos es por ahí. Ese es el telepón, ahí voy abajo. Y el otro no me acuerdo dónde es, que había una alarma también y tampoco salió. Esos coches de arriba no salen, entonces hay que estar quitando los tres.
Bello.
Es que meter.
Si voy a meter unos varitos para allá, pues.
No, tiene un metal aquí.
¿Ah?
Ya tiene un metal allá. Exacto, ahí va.
Hola, doña, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo le va? Transformador se puso aquí. They had gray glass with gray smart film. But I really wanted to go upstairs. I mean, you got a little something, right? This is a very important step in our 13-step system when it comes to the installation of the smart film. As you can see, he's going through our glass prepping, which we're using a scrub pad, soap and water. We lather the glass very, very good to allow the soap and water to loosen up any paint, any overspray, any dust, any particles on the glass. This is non-negotiable. The more thorough you are with your glass decontamination, the better the outcome and the aesthetics of the installation of the smart film. Remember guys, smart film is a very thick film, about 4 millimeters thick, in which any little contaminant will raise it like a bubble. Think of this as a screen protector from your phone, but for your glass windows, in which if you leave a speck, it's gonna raise it up like a bubble, looks like a little imperfection, in which the thorough cleaning of the glass goes through a few steps, which is soap and water, lather, scrub it with a scrub pad, then a plastic razor blade, which is what Felix is doing now, making sure that you're removing any stubborn contaminants on the glass. We try to avoid the stainless steel razor unless there's a lot of debris that the plastic razor blade cannot remove. And believe it or not, stainless steel blades still have the potential of scratching the glass, and that's why we use a plastic razor blade. Now we're gonna go again and do a second pass and possibly a third pass. Use a window squeegee everything out, and then the last step would be to squeegee and apply 99% isopropyl alcohol to remove any soap and water around the borders and edges, and this allows for the glass to be ready for the smart film installation. All right, guys, this is why we take so much pride in working on our clients' homes. The aesthetics, the design features is beautiful. And that's why it's very important to protect the area of work, whether it's with our booties, whether it's with floor paper or any protection, because a lot of projects, the clients are already living inside the home. And as you can see, look at the beautiful design in this home. There's a lot of ballerinas, a lot of clowns. It's a very traditional style of design, but nonetheless, the beauty is immaculate. Take a look.
iTints for that glass. iTints for that glass. Instant privacy, wow, factor for high class. Step into the future. The views are never truer.
Yep. We are en route. Should be arriving there in about 20-25 minutes. All right, guys, so we are done with a final walkthrough and an ongoing project. Neighbors right next door. One saw it, she loved it, and now we're on to a full lunch and learn with a smart home and lighting company here local to South Florida. iTints Technologies, we authorized reseller program, allows our resellers to utilize our MI Smart Film solutions, which have certified technicians that go through our iTints Academy. And this is what ensures a professional and proper installation of our smart film because of the complexity and the integration that it requires. So trust the best and step into the future with iTints.
iTints for that glass. Step into the future.